At the heart of our tomato ketchup is the harvest, where the finest tomatoes are carefully picked, ready to make their journey to the factory.
Each tomato is selected with precision, ensuring only the best make it to the next stage.
Once harvested, the tomatoes are swiftly transported to the processing facility for the next step in production.
From the farm, the tomatoes embark on their journey, destined for transformation into delicious ketchup. Upon arrival, the tomatoes are unloaded, ready to begin their transformation. The tomatoes are placed on a conveyor system, signaling the start of the next phase in production.
Each tomato is inspected for quality to ensure only the best are used in the ketchup production.
After sorting, the tomatoes are washed thoroughly, preparing them for the next stage.
Next, the skins are removed with steam, ensuring that only the purest pulp remains.
Once peeled, the tomatoes are ground into a smooth pulp, ready for the next step. The fresh pulp is transferred into vats, where it will be combined with other ingredients.
Each batch is carefully measured to ensure the perfect balance of flavors in every bottle.
The mixture is stirred to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed, preparing it for the cooking process.
Now, the mixture is heated, beginning the cooking process that will thicken the ketchup. As the ketchup thickens, we prepare to move on to the next stage, where the real transformation begins.
Once the ketchup is ready, it's transferred into large containers and loaded onto trucks for transport.
Each container is sealed to ensure the ketchup remains fresh and secure during transit. Before shipping, each container is inspected and sealed with a quality assurance mark, ensuring the product meets our high standards.
The audio is dominated by ring of the loud, continuous roar of multiple heavy.
Upon arrival at the factory, the trucks are carefully directed to unloading docks. Containers are swiftly unloaded and transferred inside the factory using forklifts and conveyor belts.
Each container is carefully inspected to ensure the integrity of the product before it enters the processing area. Once unloaded, the containers are stored in a temperature-controlled area, awaiting the next stage of the process.
Each container is cataloged, ensuring the right batch is ready for the packaging line.
When the time comes, the ketchup containers are moved to the next stage of the process, where they will be prepared for bottling and packaging.
The containers are transferred to the processing lines, where they will undergo final preparation before packaging. The bottles are carefully placed and moved down the line, where they will be sealed for freshness. The ketchup is carefully poured into the bottles, ensuring each one is filled to perfection.
Each bottle is labeled, identifying the product and ensuring traceability.
Final inspections are made to ensure that only the highest quality ketchup reaches the consumer.
The factory stands as a hub of activity, where raw materials come in and the final product takes shape.
Each worker enters through secure access points, ensuring safety and efficiency in every step of the process.
The factory is organized for maximum efficiency, guiding workers to the areas where their skills are most needed.
Security plays a crucial role in keeping the factory safe, monitoring everything from entry points to production lines.
At the heart of our tomato ketchup is the harvest, where the finest tomatoes are carefully picked, ready to make their journey to the factory.
Once inside, workers move swiftly to their designated stations, where the transformation of raw tomatoes begins. The conveyor belts are the arteries of the factory, transporting materials from one station to the next, ensuring smooth operations.
Each piece of equipment is monitored regularly, ensuring precise control over every stage of production. The heart of the factory lies within its processing area, where raw ingredients are transformed into the ketchup we know and love.
In the control room, factory operators oversee production, adjusting parameters to ensure the highest quality at every step. Worker safety and hygiene are our top priority, with every worker equipped with the necessary protective gear. As the doors open, the true scale of production is revealed, with workers and machines working seamlessly together.
At the press of a button, the next phase of production begins, and ingredients are moved to their next destination.
In this section, the ketchup undergoes its crucial transformation, where the perfect blend of ingredients takes shape.
Workers remain vigilant, ensuring that every machine is running smoothly for optimal production.
Once the tomatoes arrive, the first step is to clean and prepare them for processing, ensuring only the finest make it to the next stage.
A powerful water system cleanses the tomatoes, ensuring they are free from any impurities before the sorting process begins.
Each tomato is carefully inspected by hand, with only the best selected for processing.
Even the slightest imperfection is detected and removed to ensure the final product is of the highest quality.
The cleaned and sorted tomatoes are now ready for the next step in their journey.
To ensure no impurities remain, the tomatoes are shaken through a vibrating screen that further cleans them.
Now, the tomatoes move into the sorting machine, where they will be inspected and categorized based on size and ripeness. Each tomato is sorted by size, ensuring a uniform texture and consistency for the final product.
Even after sorting, each batch is inspected for perfection, guaranteeing only the best tomatoes make it to production.
The sorted tomatoes are now ready to be processed into ketchup, marking the end of the cleaning and sorting phase.
Next, the tomatoes are placed into the steam peeler, where their skins are removed to ensure a smooth texture.
The steam peeler ensures that the tomatoes are stripped of their skins, leaving only the pure pulp behind.
After peeling, the tomatoes are ground into a smooth pulp, forming the base of our ketchup.
The pulp is carefully inspected for consistency, ensuring the perfect texture for our ketchup.
The ingredients are blended together, ensuring that each batch is perfectly consistent in flavor.
The temperature is carefully controlled to ensure the perfect cooking process, where flavors are fully developed.
As the mixture simmers, the ingredients begin to meld, thickening the ketchup to its signature consistency.
A taste test ensures that each batch meets our high standards for flavor and texture.
Next, the mixture is filtered, ensuring that any remaining impurities are removed before moving forward. Operators keep a close eye on every stage, adjusting parameters to ensure the process runs smoothly.
The tomato mixture is now placed into large kettles, where it will be cooked further, thickening to the desired consistency. In the cooking kettles, the mixture undergoes a final reduction, concentrating the flavors and thickening the texture.
The perfect consistency is achieved, and the ketchup is now ready for the next steps in the production process.
The cooked ketchup is moved into holding tanks, where it will cool down, ready for the final stages of packaging. Precise temperature control is key, ensuring the ketchup cools at the optimal rate for packaging. As the ketchup cools, workers keep a watchful eye, ensuring that it remains at the perfect consistency before moving on.
Once cooled, the ketchup is transferred into smaller containers for final processing and quality checks.
The final filtration ensures that the ketchup is perfectly smooth, ready for the next step in its journey. At this stage, the ketchup undergoes its final transformation, where the perfect balance of heat and time brings out its signature thickness and flavor.
Each batch is closely monitored, ensuring it reaches the exact consistency required for our perfect ketchup.
With each carefully measured addition, the ketchup's flavor is perfected, ensuring consistency across every bottle.
As the ingredients are stirred together, the ketchup becomes smooth and rich, ready for the final cooking process.
The ketchup is now heated to the perfect temperature, ensuring it's both safe and delicious for packaging.
Once heated, the ketchup is stored in holding tanks, waiting to be packaged and sent to stores.
Every batch is inspected to ensure it has the perfect consistency and color before moving to the next stage.
Next, the ketchup is pumped into automated filling machines, where it is precisely measured and dispensed into each bottle. Each bottle is filled precisely, ensuring consistency and minimizing waste during production.
Each bottle is carefully inspected for imperfections before moving to the capping station.
The bottles are sealed tightly to ensure that the ketchup remains fresh until it reaches your table.
Once labeled, the bottles are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped out to stores and homes.
The final product is carefully stored in our warehouse, awaiting delivery to customers around the world. The automated palletizing system ensures that boxes are stacked efficiently, ready for dispatch to stores.
In the control room, factory operators monitor key performance metrics, allowing for quick adjustments and optimal performance.
Skilled technicians oversee the automation systems, fine-tuning the robots to maintain the highest level of efficiency. With synchronized conveyors, products flow seamlessly through the factory, reducing downtime and maximizing output. Advanced software systems provide real-time insights, allowing operators to make immediate adjustments and ensure flawless production.
Before each batch is completed, final checks are performed to ensure that everything is running at peak efficiency.
Once the product is packaged, it is moved into the storage area, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide.
Efficiency is at the forefront of the factory's operation, with constant real-time feedback allowing for continuous optimization.
Every action performed by our robots is done with the utmost precision, ensuring that each bottle is correctly placed into its box.
While automation handles the bulk of the work, our trained staff ensures that every box is thoroughly inspected for quality. Operators have the ability to make fine-tuned adjustments to the system, ensuring everything runs as smoothly as possible. With every batch, our high-tech automation systems work together seamlessly, ensuring that each bottle is produced to perfection. As the bottles approach the finishing lines, each one is prepared for its final steps in production.
Each bottle undergoes a detailed inspection, ensuring that all labels are properly applied and that there are no defects in the final product. Sophisticated optical scanners detect any imperfections in the bottles, ensuring that only perfect products make it to the final packaging.
Final tactile inspections ensure that every bottle is properly sealed, preventing any leaks during transit.
To protect the bottles during shipping, each one is wrapped in a layer of shrink film, keeping them secure until they reach their destination. Once wrapped, the bottles are moved to the final packaging station, where they will be boxed and prepared for delivery.
The automated system carefully places each bottle into a box, ensuring that they are snugly packed for shipment.
Each box is carefully sealed, and the contents are double-checked to ensure there are no discrepancies.
The final boxed products are moved to the palletizing area, where they are stacked neatly and ready for transport.
Each box is scanned and logged into our tracking system, ensuring that it's ready to be shipped out to customers.
The finished product is then loaded onto trucks, ready to be sent out to stores and homes worldwide.
Each pallet is labeled with shipping information, ensuring that it reaches the correct destination.
In our quality control lab, every batch of ketchup undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our high standards. Samples are taken from each batch,
ensuring that every bottle is tested for taste, texture, and consistency.
In addition to scientific testing, our team conducts taste tests to ensure that every batch has the perfect balance of flavor.
Viscosity is tested to guarantee that our ketchup has the right thickness, making it perfect for pouring and spreading. The pH level is also carefully monitored to ensure that the ketchup is both safe and flavorful, meeting all regulatory standards.
To ensure product longevity, shelf life tests are conducted, simulating storage conditions to verify that the ketchup remains fresh over time.
Every ingredient is analyzed to ensure the perfect balance, with no unwanted additives or preservatives, maintaining our commitment to quality.
The ketchup's appearance is inspected to ensure that it has the rich, vibrant red color that our customers love.
Once the ketchup passes all quality checks, it is approved for the next stage, packaging and distribution.
The test results confirm that the batch meets all our high standards, ensuring that the product is ready for the final steps.
With all tests passed and approval granted, the ketchup is now ready for packaging and distribution.
After passing all tests, the batch is ready to be bottled and sealed, ensuring it reaches stores in perfect condition.
The final step in quality control ensures that each bottle is securely sealed, preserving the freshness and flavor of the ketchup.
Finally, each box is labeled with a quality control stamp, confirming that the ketchup is ready for shipment.
Once packed and labeled, the ketchup boxes are transferred to the final staging area, ready for dispatch.
To ensure safe transportation, each pallet is carefully stacked and organized for maximum efficiency.
The final pallets are then moved to the loading dock, ready to be loaded onto trucks for shipment. With the pallets in position, the trucks are ready to load and transport the ketchup to stores around the world.
The final shipment is confirmed, and the trucks are sealed and ready for dispatch.
With the trucks on their way, the ketchup embarks on its journey, ensuring it reaches homes and stores worldwide.
As the last pallets leave the factory, the warehouse prepares for the next batch of production, ready to begin the process again.
With the final checks complete, the factory prepares to begin another round of production, ensuring a steady supply of ketchup.
The last pallets are stored away, ensuring that the supply of ketchup is always ready for the next batch.
And this is how modern factories produce ketchup from start to finish.
From harvest to your home, our ketchup journey is a story of precision, quality, and dedication.
Each bottle is crafted with care, ensuring that you enjoy the best ketchup every time.
And this is how modern factories produce ketchup from start to finish.